I've been keeping things inside, taking up space till I got someone I could open my mind up to. I guess it worked pretty good till now, but shit's gonna get serious. I think I'm running out of room. Everyone's got someone built custom to give their darkness to. I wish I had someone could trust them, but loyalty don't come for free. 'Cause all my friends are fake.